All right, guys. So I'm not here to waste your time. I have this KDP account that I have for sale, right? You get I would just like to just brush it through very fast the review of the account so far. So let's say, as I yesterday, the account generated just two sales. And if you have been following me or you're one of my subscribers on this YouTube, you know how I do my stuff. I intentionally create an account not for the money I want to make now, but the future of the account. I have some videos which I can use, you can watch, like to so let's check the lifetime. So I have a video you can watch to tell you how I do my stuff. So this account I started it on the when you click on lifetime to show the first book that went live on the account. That day it start counting. So as you can see, this account started on the 24th, 25th of November last year, less than 3 months now. As I can see, the first book went live on the 25th, on the 21st rather. At the moment, I have 75 books in it. And if you should check this date here, on the 24th of November, the first book sold. The account I started on the 21st. So just 2 or 3 days interval, it make it for sales. So I left the account because if you remember, as at November, December, I have an account that I have over 200, let's say 200 books as at then. So I just created the account down. So fast forward to let's say last month, which was January. At the moment, I'm running a 90 days challenge. So I initially, okay, let me use this account to run the 90 days challenge. So I was extremely serious with the account in January. And as you can see, the account made over $200 only in January, right? So, like I used to teach, if you should check some of my videos here, these are, let me play this video. So this one of the account I built in as at last year, like I used like 6 months to build this account to have 200 books, if I'm not mistaken. So this account generated as at let me see, let me just So long story short, in this particular video here, which I'll be sharing the link in the description of to this some videos, and so in that this particular one in 30 days, that was in November. Yeah, I remember in November I was able to make over 600 USD. That's over a million naira Nigerian currency in the account because I've stopped publishing the accounts at then. So the account pick up and start making money because I've put in the work. And here in 7 days, if I'm not mistaken, no, in 15 days, sorry, in 15 days, I was yeah. So that same account, right, that I built as at then, over in 15 days, it made over $1,000. As at in December, generally, the account makes less than just $27 to make it 2,000 USD organic sale. For people that knows me on this YouTube channel, I have never run ad on any of my Kindle or publishing journey. So this account is up for sales and it's going for $3,500 if you want. At the moment, I have, like I said, 75 books. If you are interested in this account, definitely I'll make it 100 books for you for just 3,500. And if you are watching this video anywhere in the world and you feel like, Nelco, I want you to create an account for me, just by with just $1,500, I'll be able to create a new account for you with just 50 books, profitable books that will be making money moving forward. So if you find it interesting without wasting much of your time, like I said, feel free to send me a DM. My WhatsApp link will be in the description below, and links to some of my videos to tell you how I do my stuff to show you results of accounts I've been managing over time is in the description box as well. So feel free to send me a DM. And like I said, if you want an account for yourself as well, after maybe this one is too expensive or something, with just 1,500 USD, if you have a deal, I create an account in your name, your bank details will be connected to it. I write 50 books for you, profitable books, and we have a deal. So send me a DM if you're interested. Just $3,500. You have access to this account with additional 25 books to make it 100. See you in the next video and bye for now.